Hello everyone, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Otero reviews. In this video you will get to know whether it is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So friends, before starting our today's video, I would like to inform you all that this site is operated from the United States. Let's know what this site is offering to the customers. So this website is an online shopping store which deals with all kinds of storage bags. Like you can see the images here. So these are some of their products which are available at reasonable price. Now let's know about their payment policy. So they accept PayPal. Besides this, if you want to know about their shipping policy, let's go to shipping policy section. So friends, they will ship your product within 1 to 5 days after placing the order, and it will deliver to your doorstep within 5 to 15 business days. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. But before proceeding further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make many more informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on the basis of which we can judge this website as a legit or a scam. So friends, firstly, this site is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is safe and secure. Besides this, if you want to know about the website age, friends, this website has been registered on 17th March 2021 and it will get expired on 16th March 2022, which means it is a very new website and has been created for a short period of time, so we cannot rely upon it. Now, if you want to know about their About Us policy, let's click into the About Us section. So friends, here they have given some of the details regarding their company details, like where you can contact with them and others, but the company founder name has not been given and their way of doing business is not mentioned, so the About Us page is not up to the mark. Now talking about the contact details, let's click into the Contact Us section. So friends, you can contact with them in their official address 1009 Nebraska, St. Lisburg, Florida 34748, United States. Now they have further mentioned an email ID, that is info@otero.com, which is similar to the domain name and hence adds credibility to the website. Besides this, you can find that there is a telephone number from which you can contact with them, 772-230-5723. Now if you want to know about their social media presence, friends, since it is a new website, it has not created any social media page till now, which is a negative point. Now if you want to know about their return and refund policy, friends, let's click into the return and refund policy section. So friends, they provide 10 days return and refund policy, but if you face any kind of money related issue, you can mention it in the comment box. Talking about the customer reviews, we do not find any customer reviews regarding the quality of the product or services of the website, and we have checked in Google also but are unable to find any reviews yet, so it is a negative point for the website. Talking about the website content quality, friends, it is not up to the mark because the About Us page is somewhat plagiarized. So friends, on the basis of the above discussion, we can say that this site is new, so we advise you all to do your own amount of research before investing your money in this website. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you guys.